Hi, I'm Nikki and I am a homemaker. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps your girl out and I do appreciate it. So today's video is going to be my morning routine with my new morning regimen, my new creams, little thing I got going on. I really love it. And my nighttime, taking off my makeup and just being barefaced. So beware, I already know that I am rough and that's why I put on makeup. So this is how I start out my day. I ended up putting a little too much of the creams on there. You don't need that much, it's just a dot. And this is the Mary Kay. If you saw my previous video, you saw that I recently started using it and my skin has started clearing up from all the acne. I still have some, but not as much as I used to. And that is the eye cream that I am putting under my eyes to help prevent wrinkles. And I'm contouring my nose with two different color concealers from Tarte. And this foundation is from Mary Kay. It's like so natural looking and my husband really likes when I look natural, so he's off today, so I wanted to give him that type of look. You can tell that it's barely even doing anything, but it really does cover up the blemishes and it just makes it look like skin, like it's your skin, not all like caked up with makeup and all of that. So it's a very natural look today on this Sunday. And this translucent powder is also from Mary Kay and it gives it just a light brightness, so everything is going to be kept looking natural. And I've really been liking it, and I'm the type of girl that I like to pour on that makeup, so I don't know, I've really been liking this natural look. Now I'm bronzing up my face to put a little color back in there with some very light bronzer, and this is just drugstore. This is not Mary Kay right here. So the only things for Mary Kay is going to be the skin. So it's the foundation and the translucent powder. And I am also putting the bronzer on my eye. I'm just going to keep everything kind of warm tone, still natural looking, nothing harsh, plain and simple. And that is just me trying to be bougie, drinking water in my little wine glass. I don't know, I always do that with I'm eating some popcorn tonight, watching one of my favorite shows because I'm weird, stuck on 90 Day Fiancé. So how many of y'all watch 90 Day Fiancé? I get so hooked on this show. I'm always trying to guess, is it real love? Is he trying to just use them to get over here to the US, or he or she or whoever? I don't know. I get hooked on this show. Let me know if you watch it or which one do you watch? What shows do you watch? So taking this mask off is kind of painful, especially around the lip area and by the eye. But it is nowhere near as painful as the devil's pill that I did a month ago. So now I'm doing the nighttime regimen with Mary Kay, and this is the first step. There's 3 steps, and first step is washing your face, and then the next one is going to be moisturizing, and then adding the eye application. And before you come for me, I know I look rough. I get that a lot. Every time people see me without makeup, they're like, oh my gosh. I know. That's why I wear makeup. You don't have to remind me that I'm ugly. I know this. But I am working on my skin for the acne, and I'm really loving this regimen, you guys. So I just wanted to share it. It was requested for me to do a daytime and nighttime routine. So here it is, my very new one, and I am loving it. So I will see you guys on the next video.